charity association or no private company or no NGO or non-government organization alone will be achieved what we collectively with synergy we can. And I think this is, as a lot of speakers have said, this is a collective effort where I think 2+2 is normally greater than 4.
Waste management or infrastructure development, or even you can see this what we call as load shedding. This is a kind of opportunity where we have to hint at. That's why the solution developers here today, they've gathered here and they're trying to figure out what would be the viable, tangible solution to that challenge.
This is the beginning of a path that I would encourage more people to take to continue to solve many of these issues that governments are benefit from, citizens are going to benefit from, and the software developers themselves are going to benefit from. So I think it's extremely exciting to see the energy, the enthusiasm and the commitment, and I would encourage everyone to continue to stay on that path.
So we're highly confident that if the city of Kathmandu and other cities in Nepal embrace IT as a driver of economic development and to improve the lives of their citizens, then it's going to be successful.
Yeah, happy. We successfully demonstrated our project, and then
The app is all about managing the traffic, but since managing the traffic requires some data, so in the primary phase we targeted on collecting data.
Such as like whether it is useful for the city governance cycle also. So if it is something that can be used directly linked with the city governance and the management, so that is most where they can get its own market.
the app that we are developing is just the tracking of public toilet that is near around 500 meters of the user.
May come up with different issues than what I'm talking about right now. So we want to identify these issues which are not heard, the people's voice. So I want to get to the root.
अहिले हामीले वेयरलेस बिल्डिङ पर्मिट सिस्टमहरू डेभलप गरिरहेका छौँ। त्यसका केही इन्फर्मेसन्सहरू हुन्छन्, रेभेन्यू म्यानेजमेन्टका इन्फर्मेसनहरू हुन्छन्, वेस्ट म्यानेजमेन्टका इन्फर्मेसनहरू हुन्छन् र हाम्रा गभर्नेन्सका इन्फर्मेसनहरू कसरी सिटी डलर्सहरूकोमा पुर्याउने अथवा बाहिर पुर्याउने, ती कुरामा चाहिँ हामी फोकस गर्छौँ। ती खालका एप्लिकेसन्सहरू डेभलप भएको छ भने हामी बोलाएर चाहिँ त्यसलाई चाहिँ तत्काल हामी अगाडि लिएर जान्छौँ।
That CityNet and Microsoft have designed City App to harness the innovation of young software developers and urban stakeholders to develop technological solutions for common urban challenges in Kathmandu Valley.